it's Millie from UPDo, and welcome to another episode all about freelancing online. How long does it take to get started as a freelancer and to get started working online? Well, it's pretty fast. You can do it today within a few hours or less. What you need to do is to write a very nice profile, and that might take you a bit of time, to think up how to write it really nicely, attractively, but then once you have that text, then that's done. You fill in a small application form, and the Upwork team, if you're applying to join Upwork as a freelancer, will review it. And if your profile has enough information there, it's not completely empty with 1 or 2 words, but it has a few sentences about you, then they'll approve it. And then once they approved it, which can take a day or a bit longer, depends how many applications they have to go through, then you can start looking at jobs, browsing jobs, and after buying some connects, then you can start bidding on jobs. Now, just before I mentioned that if you don't have money to bid on many jobs, many projects, maybe get invited to some projects if you're lucky. So the question is, should you bid on projects, spend your money doing that, or just wait for clients to invite you to their projects? Well, I think you should definitely bid on projects and be proactive. The reason why is because there are a lot of freelancers on all these sites and Upwork and so on. There are tens and tens, if not hundreds of thousands of them. And you might never be found, especially if you're new, you have no reviews, you have no work hours, you have nothing in the system. Nobody might find you, and maybe nobody invites you to that project either. So definitely be proactive, bid on as many projects as you can and can afford to. And then also, if you're lucky, some people might invite you to their projects too, but don't count on that. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more tutorials, and visit updoacademy.com to discover many ways to make money, including how to get paid to write reviews, how to get free products from brands, how to make money using Google Maps, and how to generate a passive income so you make money even when you're not working.